We'll guide you through how to download and install Cobblemon for Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So Cobblemon is a Pokemon mod for Minecraft, so it goes and adds so many different things to Minecraft, and we'll guide you through how this can be done. To get started, let's go and quit Minecraft. Here we are on my desktop. The next thing we need to do is go and open up a web browser. I'll go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. Now, as Cobbleverse is a mod pack, we can actually go and use a mod pack installer or launcher. The one we're going to be using is called Modrinth. Type it in, Modrinth, all one word, and you can come to modrinth.com. Here we are, and now what you need to do is go to the top and you'll see the different options. One of them being Get Modrinth App. So we can go and click there. As you can see, it's an open source launcher. And what we can then do is go and press the download button. Now the app is going to go and download. Before we start installing it, I want to give a big thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need for Minecraft server to start playing with your friends, you can get 25% off your first invoice. It's definitely worth checking them out. I'll put a link down below in the pinned comment and the description. They've got so many great features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, keeping your server online, 24/7 servers and support so you can get the help anytime you need it, ultra latency, instant setup, and so many other great features as well. So it's definitely worth going and checking them out. Now to go and continue with the guide, we need to go and install Modrinth. So what we can do is go and head to our downloads, open up your file explorer and press downloads, and then here is Modrinth. We can go and double click on it, you'll go and get a security pop-up you need to agree to, and we can start going through the app setup here. Choose the destination folder and we press next, and then we can go and have these selected and press finish. Now it's going to go and launch. So what we need to do is go and sign with a Minecraft account. You do need to own Minecraft in order to go and use Modrinth, so we can press it in at the top right here and go and press on the login button. Now we'll go and get this pop-up and we can go and sign in to our Microsoft account, which we own Minecraft on. I've now signed in and we can see the account in the top right here. And so now what we can do is go and find Cobblemon. As you can see, it's actually here, but if you can't go and see it on the main page here, press on the Discover button to the left. We can press search and you can go and type in Cobblemon like so. And as you can see, it's at the top here. Then what we can do is you can go and click on it and you can go and start reading about it. To go and start downloading and installing it though, you can press the install button in the top right. Now it's going to go and start downloading, so go and be patient. When it's finished, you'll then go and see the play button here. And if we go and press on the library to the left, we can go and find it in here as well. When you go and hover over it, you'll go and see the play button to the left and we can click on it and the instance is now loading. So what we can do is go and wait for this to go and launch. That's it. When you go and get into the world, it's going to go and say press the M key to check out the starters. And now what you can do is go and choose a starter. So you can go through these different options here and go and choose one you like. We can then press I choose you. And as you can see, we've then got this pop-up in the top left there. And we can now go and start playing. As you start exploring, you're going to go and notice new creatures as well and mobs. As you can see this here. And we could go and get into a battle by pressing R, as you can see. We could then send in our Pokemon just like so. So that's it. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.